In this video, we're going to be looking at example 18. We're going to be solving equations, in this case by taking square roots. Now, I know I'm going to take square roots on this one because there is no b value. I just have 2x squared minus 7 equals negative 105. So it makes more sense to solve it using square roots. So to start this off, I'm going to add 7 to both sides. Bring down the 2x squared. Then we have on the other side negative 98. Divide both sides by 2. I'm going to get rid of the 2, so we just have x squared equals negative 49. All right, at this point, we're ready to take the square root. So we'll take the square root of both sides. Okay, and on the left, we'll have x equals positive or negative square root of negative 49. Now, I can rewrite the square root of negative 49 as the square root of 49 times the square root of negative 1. I can take the square root of 49 to get positive or negative 7, and then the square root of negative 1 is just abbreviated as I for imaginary number. So that's going to be it. We can have our solution set as that, or we can put in the positive or negative 7i. Okay, so that's that. Let's look at one that doesn't turn out to be so pretty. And so we'll do the same thing, though. There's no b value, so we're going to solve using square roots. Bring down the 10x squared equals negative 124. Divide both sides by 10. And we end up with x squared equals negative 124 over 10. Those are both even numbers, so we can divide both of them by 2 to get negative 62 over 5. We'll take the square root of both sides now. Square root of both sides. We'll end up with x equals the square root, positive or negative, the square root of negative 62 over 5. I can rewrite this as positive or negative square root of negative 62 over square root of 5. And I need to rationalize the denominator. So I'll multiply top and bottom by square root of 5. That'll give me positive or negative the square root of 310. Oh, sorry. Don't forget about the negative. Negative 310 over 5. Now, you can go through the process, divide 310 by 2, and then try out all the square roots or all the perfect squares below that. You're going to find out that there are no perfect square factors of negative 310. So it's going to stay just like this, except I'm going to put positive or negative square root, and this time it's going to be positive 310 over 5 times the square root of negative 1, and that'll be positive or negative square root 310 over 5i. Put that into brackets. We have our solution set. So guys, that's going to do it for solving with square roots. Again, really the only new part is to add the I onto the end of the negative square root. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, here is your try it. So go ahead and give this a shot, and we'll talk in class.